Students, now exercise 3.5 second problem. Factorize the following: x square plus 4x plus 4. Second problem, 3a square minus 24ab plus 48b square. Third problem, x power 5 minus 16x. Fourth problem, m square plus 1 by m square minus 23. Fifth problem, 6 minus 216 x square. Sixth problem, a square plus 1 by a square minus 18. The first problem solution, x square. Second first problem solution, x square plus 4x plus 4. For this method we have to use algebraic identities. For which identity we have to find? For the first is a square number, the last also square number. It is a 2 square form. So easily you have to identify it is in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a plus b whole square. For you no need to worry about the middle term. First and last you have to consider it is x square, it is a 2 square. So you have to write together, that is for it is a given one is rewritten as x square plus 4x plus 2 square. So it is in the form a plus b whole square. So x plus 2 whole square. For third problem, 3a square minus 24ab plus 48b square. For in these three is common. For this common term you have to take outside. For it is a square. For it is 8 into 3. So 8 is remaining 8ab. For it is 16 into 3, 48. So 16b square. So now for it is 3 into, it is rewritten as a square minus 8ab 4b whole square. For the 16b square is written as 4b whole square. For now, for this 3 comma, it is outside 3, you have to keep it safe. So now we have to solve this bracket values, that is a square minus 8ab plus 4b square. So that is a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So how you have to find this? The first one is a square number, second one also square number, the middle you have a minus sign. So suppose here you have a plus sign, you have to use a plus b whole square. Here you have a minus, you write a minus b whole square. So in the a place you have a, b place you have 4b. So a minus 4b whole square. So answer 3 into a minus 4b whole square. Next third problem, x power 5 minus 16x. For in these two terms x is common, you have to take outside. So that is remaining for 5 x into x into x 5 times is there. 1 x taken outside, remaining how many? 4. So here only 1 x is there taken outside, so remaining 16. So x into, for this x power 4 is written as x square whole square. This 16 is written as 4 square. For it is in the form a square minus b square. In a place we have x square, b place we have 4. So it is in the form a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So that is x square plus 4 into x square minus 4. So now x into x square plus 4, you are not able to simplify again. So for this one is simplify, we have to write in a simplified form, that is x square minus 2 square. So x into x square plus 4, for this again we have to use this formula, that is x plus 2 into x minus 2, a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. A place we have x, b place we have 2. So x plus 2 into x minus 2. Now fourth question, m square plus 1 by m square minus 23. It is the given question, m square plus 1 by m square minus 23. So for this minus 23, we have to rewrite. For this is for the given question, we have to rewrite for m square plus 1 by m square. For here you have to add and subtract 2. For suppose you are adding plus 2 and minus 2, you not get any changes in the given question. Now you have to check these two, plus 2 minus 2 become 0. So again we get the original problem. So for why we are adding plus 2 and subtracting minus 2, we have to use the algebraic identity. So we need to make that algebraic identity format. So you have to add plus 2 and minus 2. So that is m square plus 1 by m square plus 2 and minus 2. For what you have here, minus 23, take and write. So that is m square plus 1 by m square plus 2. You have to add these two same, that is minus 25. So it is in the form m plus 1 by m whole square. Suppose you have to expand it and see a square plus b square, that is 1 by m square, 2 into ab, that is m into 1 by m, that is m cancel, become 2. So this one in the factorized form m plus 1 by m whole square minus 5 square. So now it is in the form this bracket fully we have to consider as a, it is b. So a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square formula we have to apply here. Fifth problem, 6 minus 216 x square. For it is a cubic number, it is 6 cube. For 6 is commonly is there, it is 6 into 6 into 6. That value is 216. 1 6 you have to take an outside, which is remaining. It is in the form 1 into 6. So 1 is here. Minus, for it is 6 into 6 into 6. 3 times it is there. 1 is taken outside, so remaining 6 is square. So that is 36 x square. A square minus b square formula we know. You have to write a plus b into a minus b. For this 1 square is written, 1 is written as 1 square. 36 x square is written as 6x whole square. So a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, that is 1 plus 6x into 1 minus 6x. For the sixth problem is same as the fourth problem, that is a square plus 1 by a square. For it is a square plus 1 by a square minus 18. For here also you have to minus 2 and plus 2. You have to add and subtract 2. So that is for here a square plus 1 by a square minus 2 plus 2 minus 18. That plus 2 minus 2. Because of our related to the identity form, you have to write like this. So now you have to make this one group. For here first 3 terms one group, the last 2 terms one group. So that is you have to, with the bracket you have to make a group. So now it's become a minus 1 by a whole square formula. For this is 2 minus 18, that is minus 16. It is in the form minus 4 square. So it is a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b, a plus a minus 1 by a plus 4, a minus 1 by a minus 4. Third question, factorize the following. 4x square plus 9y square plus 25z square plus 12xy plus 30yz plus 20xz. Second problem, 25x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 20xy plus 12yz minus 30xz. For in this exercise, first problem, it is a grouping method. Second problem, we have to use the algebraic identities. Identity, what are the identity used in the second problem? A plus b whole square and a minus b whole square we are used, and a square minus b square also. For this problem, third problem, for it is in the form given question 4x square plus 9y square plus 25z square plus 12xy plus 30yz plus 20xz. For 4x square is written as 2x whole square, 3y whole square plus 5z whole square. So using these three, you have to easily separate it. This is 2 into, it is a, it is b, it is c. So a into b, a, b. Then first you have to multiple these two, a, b, b, c and ca. A, b, b, c and ca. Formula a square plus a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So now you have to consider these three, 2x plus 3y plus 5z whole square. It is a factorized form. The second question also the same. 25x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 20xy plus 12yz minus 30xz. It is the given question. You have to rewrite this. For here minus and plus is given. So suppose plus 1, no minus symbol is there. Don't worry, directly we will apply. For minus is there, we have to check what are the terms have a minus. For the fourth term, you check xy. For xy, x is minus or y is minus. For y is it. So this for y is here, suppose it is minus, it's become a minus. But here we get a plus. So y is not a minus. So x is a minus term. Then here z is not a minus term. Suppose z also minus, minus into minus plus. So like this you have to identify. So that is x alone minus term. So minus 5x whole square plus 2y whole square 5z whole square plus 2 into it is a x, it is y, it is z. Otherwise a b c, a b, then b c, a b, b c, then c a. So that is equal to minus 5x plus 2y plus 3z whole square. Or in the first term you have minus, you have to take minus outside. That means just to change the sign. That is, it's become plus, it's become minus, it's become z. So this meaning is you have to take a minus outside. So for answer, for this is this answer or this. Both are correct.